Hello everyone, it's me Siddhant and today I'm going to tell you the methods and tips which will help you your PC, Windows PC, desktop, laptop, computer to speed up to boost its performance. Yes, I'm sure that these methods will definitely boost up the performance of your Windows PC and speed up. Yes, you will be amazed that oh, my PC is now running so in speed, it is so faster. Yes, so to speed up your computer, so I'm going to tell you some special tips and methods which you should definitely try if you are using Windows operating system. This can work in all the versions of Windows 7 to 10, but I am using here Windows 10. Yes, it does not matter if you are using Windows 7, it's nice. Yes, but I'm here using Windows 10. So first method is you have to go to startup. So for that, what you have to do is go to start button. There are two methods to open the startup. I'm going to tell you both. First method is go to start and go to settings, then go to apps, then here you can see startup, click there, and here you can manage all the apps. These apps which are on will be open automatically when you open your computer. If you find any unnecessary apps that is turned on, you should turn it off immediately. Yes, another thing you can do is to open the startup is go to taskbar, right click, go to task manager, and here also you can see startup. Here also you can just click and you can here click on disable. Yes, another thing you can check is if you want to speed up your computer, your PC, your Windows PC should be updated up to the time or up to the date. For that, how you can check? Go to start and go to settings and go to update and security and go to Windows update, and if it shows like you are up to date, then it's all nice, and if it does not show like this, then you need to check for updates and you need to update your computer instantly. Yes, for that it needs internet. Yes, another thing which will help to speed your Windows PC, you should update your Microsoft apps like Paint 3D, Photos app, video editor. For that, go to Microsoft Store, open Microsoft Store, make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then you can see there three dot C which says see more, just click there and go to downloads and updates, and here you have to click on get updates and it will download and install the latest updates of your Microsoft apps like Paint 3D, Photos instantly. So now another thing what you can do to speed up your Windows PC, laptop, go to taskbar and right click and go to task manager and go to processes, and here you can, if you find any unnecessary application which is running, you should just select that and you should in tax immediately you should, but for that you need to take advice. Yes, then go to performance, and here yes, here only go to services, and here you should find the latest services which should be running. Yes, now the last uh no, it is not the last. Before going to the last and most effective way, what you can do, keep refreshing your PC like I am doing. For that, on the desktop right click and here you can find refresh. Yes, now another thing which will help to speed up your computer, for that virus can also slow down your computer infected. Yes, for that if you see any application that is downloaded from internet and if you guess, so for that in your PC antivirus should be updated and installed. For example, in my PC there is quick heal antivirus. For example, in this folder I want to scan. For that, what I can do is right click, and here you can find quick heal antivirus pro scan. Just click there. Yes, see now, no virus found. This is you can do. Yes, another thing you can do is do not open several Windows folders at the same time. Yes, that will also slow down your computer. Now, last and most effective way which you can try is go to Windows here source panel and type here command prompt. This app you should open. Yes, instead of this app you can also use Windows PowerShell, this app, but for the moment it is good if you use command prompt. Command prompt this. Now before moving ahead to this effective way, I want to give you one thing. I want to tell you one thing that um, before opening this app or performing this command prompt, you should turn off, you should you should turn off all the programs or softwares that is being run. Okay, I mean to say that you should close all the programs, okay, that is running behind. Then only you should open this command prompt. Yes. Now for after then I am going to open it. Then click there. So as you all can see here on the top only, this you have to just write sfc one space, or you can write this symbol. I suggest you just if you don't know this, you can just sfc one space scan now and hit enter. Then it will show like this. It is running. You have to just wait a minute. Yes, it can take time. Oh yes, yes. First time it will show like this scan failed. Yes, your I'm using 62-bit Windows, so it's running. Yes, while running this command, make sure your other Windows, other applications and softwares are turned off. Yes, okay. 70% command program is completed. This completed and it is running. Oh, again it fell. Oh, what happened? Oh, it is still running. Um, it is trying to connect to another service. It is little bit. I know this is. Oh, what happened? We have to wait. It will do. Hmm. Okay, it is boot system command running. Oh yes, it is. This scan will speed up your PC, Windows PC or laptop, yes, or desktop. Yes, it will speed up. Yes, there will be a great change in your PC after this command prompt is successfully completed. Oh wow, command is successfully completed. Okay, okay, okay. Now it's done. Now let me close it. So I hope these steps must, I hope that these steps will must speed up your Windows PC. So thanks for watching.